Hello and welcome to Englishmentory. If you're tired of forgetting new English words just a few days after learning them, then today's video is for you. We're going to explore 10 smart, science-backed, and practical techniques to remember English vocabulary forever. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what to do, but how to do it daily, in just a few minutes. So grab your notebook and let's start your vocabulary memory upgrade. Tip 1. Use the memory palace technique. Imagine your brain as a house. Each room stores different kinds of memories. The memory palace technique helps you link new words with physical locations in your imagination. For example, if you're learning the word serene, meaning calm and peaceful, imagine your living room with soft lights and a quiet atmosphere. That's your serene room. The next time you enter your living room in real life, your brain recalls the word serene instantly. Pro tip: use your own home or workplace as your memory palace. Assign each room a category: kitchen, food words, bedroom, emotions, garden, nature vocabulary. This visual and spatial linking makes words unforgettable. Tip 2. Use new words in sentences immediately. Learning a word once isn't enough. Your brain needs to see it in action. If you learn the word meticulous, meaning very careful and detailed, don't just memorize it. Say it. I'm meticulous when it comes to organizing my study desk. Write it, speak it, text it. The more you use it, the stronger the connection in your brain. Challenge: for every new word, make 3 personal sentences. Personal connections equals permanent memory. Tip 3. Create word associations. Your brain remembers connections, not isolated data. Example: for the word elated, very happy, link it with something personal. When I got my first YouTube subscriber, I felt elated. You can also connect it visually. Imagine someone jumping with joy. Or phonetically, elated sounds like elevated. My mood was elevated as I was elated. When words have meaning, sound, and image connections, your recall power increases 10 times. Tip 4. Build stories around words. Your brain loves stories, not lists. Let's say you're learning 3 words: brisk, gloomy, and content. Make a tiny story. On a brisk morning, under a gloomy sky, I drank my coffee and felt content. That's one line, but you just reinforced 3 words in a natural, emotional way. The more vivid or funny your stories are, the longer you'll remember them. Tip 5. Use spaced repetition. Here's where science meets memory. Studies show that we forget 90% of what we learn within a week unless we review it. The secret? Review at increasing intervals. Review day 1, review day 3, review day 7, review day 14. Think of it as vaccinating your memory. Each review strengthens your immunity against forgetting. Tip 6. Group words by theme. Instead of learning random words, Organize them by topic or emotion. For example, emotions: joyful, anxious, delighted, furious. Work: deadline, colleague, promotion, resign. Travel: itinerary, luggage, sightseeing, souvenir. When you learn related words together, your brain forms a network, not isolated points. Later, when you recall one word, others from that theme automatically come up. This is how native speakers recall words fast, through context, not memory lists. Tip 7. Learn words from real-life contexts. Textbooks are useful, but real-life context is unforgettable. If you're watching a movie and hear, "That was a spectacular performance," pause and note the word spectacular. Now your brain remembers not only the word, but also the tone, scene, and emotion behind it. You can do this with songs, TV shows, articles, or even memes. Example: watch Friends or The Office with English subtitles. Every time a new word appears, jot it down and notice how it's used. This is how you learn natural vocabulary that sticks. Tip 8. Teach the word to someone else. Teaching is the ultimate test of understanding. When you explain a word, your brain organizes information more clearly. So next time you learn a new word, try teaching it to your friend, your sibling, or even your mirror. Say something like, "So, today I learned the word benevolent." It means kind or generous. For example, a benevolent person helps others without expecting anything in return. When you explain it aloud, it moves from short-term to long-term memory. Remember, to teach is to learn twice. Tip 9. Create visual flashcards. Your brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text. So combine pictures with words. Use apps like Canva, Quizlet, or Pinterest boards to make visual flashcards. Example: word, majestic. Image, a mountain at sunrise. Sentence: the view from the peak was majestic. This image-word-sentence combo forms a strong memory anchor. Every time you recall the mountain, the word majestic appears instantly. Tip 10. Make vocabulary a game. Learning doesn't have to be boring. Turn it into a game. Play word games like Wordle, Scrabble, vocabulary quizzes, or even mini challenges with friends like Word of the Day. Set small goals. I'll use 5 new words in conversation today. Reward yourself when you achieve it. A coffee, a walk, or your favorite snack. Positive emotion boosts memory retention dramatically. Bonus tip: connect new words with emotions. The brain remembers emotional experiences longer than neutral ones. If a word makes you laugh, reminds you of someone, or connects with a strong feeling, it stays. Example: when you learn nostalgic, remember a childhood memory. When you learn furious, remember a time you were angry. Emotion equals memory glue. How to build a daily vocabulary routine. Here's a 10-minute daily plan you can start today. 1. Learn 3 new words, morning, Write meaning plus pronunciation plus one personal sentence. 2. Use them in conversation or writing. Afternoon. Text a friend. Write a journal line or speak them aloud. 3. Review with spaced repetition. Night. Open your flashcard app or notebook for 5 minutes. 4. Weekly review every Sunday. Revise all the words you learned that week. Create a short story using as many as possible. If you do this consistently, you'll master 100 to 150 words every month. For life. Examples of application. Let's try applying everything with 3 new words. 1. Eloquent, speaking clearly and beautifully. 2. Resilient, able to recover from difficulty. 3. Diligent, showing care and effort. Now combine them. An eloquent teacher inspires students to be resilient and diligent. Now imagine that teacher in your mind, smiling, confident, motivating. This image will make these words stick forever. Let's play a quick game before we wrap up. I'll say a definition. You guess the word. 1. Meaning very happy or joyful. Answer, elated. 2. Meaning calm and peaceful. Answer, serene. 3. Meaning very careful and detailed. Answer, meticulous. Nice job. You just revised 3 words you learned earlier. See? Repetition works. Let's quickly recap the 10 techniques to remember new English words forever. 1. Memory palace. Link words to places. 2. Use in sentences. Create personal examples. 3. Word associations. Connect meaning, sound, and emotion. 4. Story method. Build small stories. 5. Spaced repetition. Review strategically. 6. Theme grouping. Organize by topic. 7. Context learning. Learn from shows, songs, or daily life. 8. Teach it. Explain to someone else. 9. Visual flashcards. Use pictures and color. 10. Gamify. Make learning fun and rewarding. So there you have it. The smart and proven ways to make vocabulary unforgettable. Now I'd love to know, which of these 10 methods are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Englishmentory, turn on notifications so you never miss a new English learning episode. Remember, vocabulary isn't about memory, it's about meaningful connection. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon English words will stay with you forever. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.